Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still sticking to my bearish analysis for now, which is I think this is a running flat, which would target probably the 100% Fibonacci extension or possibly the 90% Fibonacci extension. So I'm definitely still very, very bearish. I mean, even if it does go up a little bit on sort of time frames, I would definitely look at that as likely just a pullback within a downtrend unless it goes all the way up and breaks the high. Then we would definitely have to go back to being bullish. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, for now I got my Fibonacci retracement just on this move right here because it could possibly just be a pullback to this last impulsive down. So if you do get a break of structure to the downside at any one of these Fibonacci levels, you just need to keep in mind that the trend is your friend and the higher time frame trend is definitely still down. Based on structure and based on my Elliott wave count, I still think there's a chance that it may continue down. So anything I see to the upside, I am definitely still looking at is likely just a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.